How to download and set up Visual Boy Advance for your Windows PC. Hello and welcome back. If you guys are wanting to do so, you may try out this method, follow up this method. So what you can do is you can search for Visual Boy Advance directly, which is this one right here, the official website, visualboyadvance.org, on your particular browser and open it up. And once you open it up, you should be finding the browser available here with the download option right here. Go ahead and find it up and click on it. And once you do so, you will be taken to the official page. So you can look out for this option for Windows or your Mac, depending upon your device. For now, I am using Windows. So we can click on this option called download. And once you do so, there you will be finding the file size, the version, developer, etc. So you can basically look out for the one that you would like to download. For example, if I would like to download this one right here, you can just go and click on this download button right here, and it will start downloading. Now click on this button and you should be finding a zip file available. You can wait for the installation to be completed. Head over and open up the file location, and there we go. Now once you do that, here you will be finding your folder right here. There's a folder, so right click on it and go ahead and click option for creating a new folder. Go ahead and right click on it, create a new folder here, right below Visual Boy right here. And what you can do is basically go ahead and put this zip file into the new folder. And there we go, and extract it. Now open up the new folder, and there you'll be finding the zip file. Go ahead and open it up and select in file to open up the zip file, and there we go. So go ahead and install the zip file there, and that should probably do it for now, and you should be finding it being initialized on your desktop already on your screen. So you can just go ahead and complete this initialization process and you can set it up. And that is how you basically download it. And you can just go ahead and play the game that you're trying to play within it. So that's it for now. You may try out this method. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.